welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is Killer Tools' heavy-duty tire lift, which is engineered for safe and efficient tire handling, enabling technicians to remove and install tires with ease. Next is Carlisle Tools' magnetic tool tray, which features a magnetic socket extension holder with a non-marring design to protect surfaces while keeping sockets organized and within reach. Our third tool is the 7-piece FlexHead X-Frame SAE ratcheting wrench set from SK Tools. This set features an exclusive X-Frame design engineered for strength, balance, and precision in tight spaces. Next is the Next LED rechargeable mountable paint and powder gun color match light, which is designed to deliver CR95 rated 450 lumens of illumination that reveals true color and surface details. Finally, our last tool is the 4-piece half-size metric flip socket set from Calvan Tools, designed to remove inflated, damaged, or warped chrome capped lug nuts found on most domestic and foreign vehicles. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.